my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Amazon clothing haul. So I did one last month, everything under 200 rupees haul. I'm gonna make sure to link that video in the description box below. You guys love that video, so I had to make kind of like a part 2, but instead of doing a under 200 rupees wala video, I decided to do under 500 rupees video so that we just have more variety to choose from, because obviously 200 rupees ke under it gets a little bit restrictive. I have picked up quite a lot of things from Amazon, so if you're interested, let's just get started with today's video. So I'm just gonna start randomly. The first top that I picked up is this not red actually, it's more like a maroon with net puffy sleeves. Now this one was for 399 rupees. I would say for 399 this design is very affordable, because I feel like this would cost at least 1,000 rupees on like other websites if it like wasn't Amazon. But having said that, the quality isn't the best, but at the same time it isn't the worst at all. The net is, I mean, it's like a regular net, and like the actual fabric, like the actual top is made of this cotton / polyester material, but it's not uncomfortable. It's very comfortable when you wear it on, and also it doesn't look cheap. So this is top number 1. This comes in a black and also a yellow, I believe. I feel like the black would be very classy, but I do own like a very similar top in black, which is why I opted for a red, and I'm very happy with this one. I actually picked up quite a few basics again from Amazon. Amazon makes really good basics and very affordable ones. Let's start with the first one. So it's a plain black, but it's not just a plain black, it also has like a crisscross in the front. So instead of just like a plain black regular t-shirt, this has a little bit more to it. This is for 350 rupees, which is okay. It's not the cheapest. We do have a few tops that are cheaper than this, but it does have like that crisscross element, so I mean, I guess okay. Again, this comes in a bunch of different colors. I went with a black because black just goes with everything. Really good fabric, really good material. I think this is a cotton, a very breathable, comfortable cotton. Okay, next I picked up this crop top. I've been seeing ads for these all the time. Like this top would pop up all the time on my feed, like Amazon feed. This is what it looks like. On the website, for the description, it says that it's a knitted top. It's not a knitted top. It's straight up polyester, and this is for 225, which is not bad at all, but the fabric isn't the best. I'm honestly not that picky when it comes to fabric, but ye thoda sa cheap hai, I will say that. I got the same one in like a mustard yellow as well, so I feel like I should have like gotten one at a time, and if I liked it I should have gotten the second one, but I was hasty and I got both of them. I will wear them, but I wouldn't necessarily recommend them. Actually, I'm sorry, I got a black, not a mustard yellow. So the black, I will say, is a better quality as compared to the maroon one. I don't know why. Iska fabric is a lot softer and nicer, and this looks also better than the red one. So I will recommend getting the black one if you like the cut and the print. Yeah, I like the black one. I will recommend the black one, not the maroon one. Okay, we have some crop tops. Both of them are for 280 rupees. These come in a bunch of different colors, and oh my god, the quality is fab. The fit is fab. I got an extra small just so that it would like fit me really tight. I'm definitely picking up a bunch of colors in these for 280 rupees. I think it's fab. With joggers, it's gonna look great. If you wear jeans, it'll look really nice. Amazon doesn't fail to surprise me. I got a mustard yellow as well. The fabric is so good. Totally recommend these. Okay, few more basic tops. I got a lavender basic tee. How cute is that? So these came in a pack of 2. Both of them were for 450 rupees, which is 225 for like each, which is so good. And these come in like a bunch of different colors, really like trendy colors. The second one is this teal color. You don't have to necessarily wear them outside. I feel like I would totally wear these with like a bunch of with a pair of denim shorts. I don't really wear jeans anymore, so I can't say jeans, but I would definitely wear these with plain denim shorts, and it would be so cute because the colors are very fun. It's not like a basic black or white. Both these colors are damn cute, but you could also wear these for like PJs. Like if you have like really nice printed pajamas, you could get like a basic top, but in like a fun color. Love these. Have to be one of my favorite from today's haul. Another basic top, actually I got 2. So the first one is this pink crop top with full sleeves. This, by the way, was for 399 rupees, so 400, so not bad, but these fit so well, especially the sleeves. कभी-कभी क्या होता है ना, sleeves loose हो जाते हैं, and then you don't get that effect of like a really well fitted top. but this fits really well, and I got a basic black because I mean you need a black in everything, and black just goes with everything, yeah, so you need a black. But I decided to like venture out and get a pink also. So this also again has so many colors to choose from. Guys, I'm gonna make sure to link everything in the description box below, so don't worry, check out the description. Again, I would totally recommend these because price is good, the fitting is good, and the quality is also really good. So next we have this navy blue blouse. This is polyester. I know a lot of people don't like polyester. I personally don't mind. It's not like cheap wala polyester. Now the cut of this blouse is not my style, but I do like it. I don't own a lot of things in this color, which is why I picked it up. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. It's not bad. It was for $4.99, so it is a little bit more expensive for this, but it's okay. It's not bad. And the last top that I got is this cold shoulder, off shoulder sort of a top. It's this bright red with polka dots all over it. So classic, and it looks very, very nice. Again, this is polyester. I don't think it's completely polyester. It might be a mix of polyester with cotton. Don't quote me on that. But fits really well, and this is for 450 rupees, which I think is really good. I remember seeing a very similar top a few years ago actually at Forever 21, and that was for like 1250 or something like that. So for 450, not bad. I actually picked up this top as well. This isn't under 500 rupees. I actually ended up picking so many things from Amazon which wasn't under 500 rupees. So if you want me to make a separate haul for that, let me know in the comments down below. But I had to show you this top. This is from Forever 21. I didn't even know Forever 21 is available on Amazon, but I guess it is. This is for 900 rupees, which is not bad. I need to like figure out how to wear it. It's a little bit complicated, but I love white clothing. Just like white in general, I really like the way it looks on me. And when it's like white with like lace, I'm like completely drawn towards it. So I had to get this one, and it was on a sale for 900 rupees, as I said. Don't know how to wear it yet, but I'll figure it out. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching my Amazon haul under rupees 500. There's, by the way, also an Amazon decor haul coming very soon. It's very exciting. I got such cool pieces from Amazon at a really good, like affordable price. So stay tuned for that. And I'm going to make sure to link everything that I showed you in today's video in the description box below. As always, don't forget to go subscribe, click on the little bell, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. But before that, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, and yeah, that's it. Bye.